We're sleeping together and we're just going with the flow. Like, I've not done this to spite you in any way. And I don't know what the future holds. I don't know. I've gone with my heart, H. I've gone with my heart. And I don't know what's gonna happen next.
You clearly don't care.
I do
You
care.
clearly don't care.
No, but I do care.
You clearly don't care.
Of course I've cared about you. We were good friends.
You
that's
was
the
my
truth.
best friend.
That was the truth of it.
You knew how much I loved him.
I hate seeing you like this. And to know that I've caused it makes, like, it's not nice. From my heart, I am so sorry for what's happened.
I should never have done it.